Glad you could join us tonight. Besieged Nairobi Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko can temporarily heave a sigh of relief after the Employment and Labour Relations Court barred the Nairobi County Assembly from debating an impeachment motion against him. But in a quick rejoinder, County Assembly members have vowed to continue with the impeachment motion slated for this Thursday despite the new court order. So, will the County Assembly go ahead and discuss the motion? Nicholas Wambua reports.
The Nairobi County Assembly impeachment motion against the city governor Mike Sonko is now surrounded by controversy. This follows an order issued by Justice Nzioki Makau of the Employment and Labour Relations Court, who has barred the Assembly from debating the impeachment motion planned for Thursday this week. The matter was taken to court by Sonko's lawyer, Harrison Kinyanjui, who had sought the court's intervention to stop the planned debate and decision of the County Assembly. In his order, Justice Makau granted the prayer and fixed the hearing of the case to the 3rd day of this month. But a section of the County Assembly members are unhappy with the move and have vowed to go ahead with the impeachment motion.
We are going to proceed with the motion as it is, because it's the right of the elected leaders and special elect to table any motion before the County Assembly.
According to documents presented in court, 62 members of County Assembly have filed sworn affidavits in the Sonko case, claiming they have never appended their signatures to any impeachment motion as alleged by Michael Okumu, who tabled the impeachment motion. Okumu has listed 4 main grounds for impeaching Sonko. They are abuse of office, gross violation of the law, committing a crime under the national and international laws, as well as lacking the physical and mental capability to run the county government.
As the move of the motion said, he collected 86 signatures, which we are clear, they are there.
It's all about the Nairobi City County MCAs, even the members of the executive whom he's leading himself. Yes, you can go and ask them. For the last 2 months, they have never received their salaries. Because Sonko doesn't want to sign a budget. Very ridiculous.
It is not the first time the Assembly members are seeking to oust Sonko from the position. Early this year, the Labour Relations Court halted a similar move by the Makongeni member of County Assembly, Peter Imwatok. The current impeachment motion against Sonko has been fueled by Sonko's refusal to assent to the 37.5 billion Kenya shillings Nairobi County Appropriation Bill 2020 that would have seen 27.3 billion Kenya shillings head to the Nairobi Metropolitan Services, an outfit that Sonko has termed unconstitutional.
It is for this reason that I return this bill to the County Assembly for further consideration.
Yesterday, police tear-gassed a section of the Nairobi County Assembly members who are meeting the governor here in Nairobi to strategize on how to defeat the impeachment motion. Nicholas Wambua, KTN News, Nairobi.
Now, has Deputy